Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. To those who are returning viewers and those who are just joining us for the first time, welcome once again. So this video will attend to a frequently asked question on this channel on how to download softwares and other Lips tools that were used in the course of the training videos. So this is a video that answers to that, and it is not just particularly to this channel, it is generally applicable to other channels on the YouTube space. So to download softwares or other plugin devices or tools or files attached to a training video on YouTube, this is how to go about it in a simple way. So you launch into your YouTube app. Alright, so this is my app and this is my channel. Okay, so if you are on a video that you are actually enjoying, okay, let's say you are watching a video like this. Alright, so I'm just going to turn that off. Okay, so if you are on that video and you are directed by the creator or by the tutor to download the app that was used in the course of the training video, okay, if you are directed by that, you are to go to the video description. Under the video description, you are going to see the download link and other metadata attached to that video. So to do that, you have to click on more. Okay, so when you click on more, you are going to see the other informations attached to the video. All right, so as you can see, these are the informations and it is not yet done, so you have to click on more again, okay, until that disappears. So I'm just going to tap on more, and below here you can see the other informations. These informations are not just there for fancy's sake. It helps you understand better what the creator is trying to pass. So it is advisable you read through video description to get better understanding of what the creator is talking about in the video. Okay, so when you read through, you are going to see that there's an auto Lips tool that was used in the course of this video, and you can see below here download link to this file below. So when you click on that link, it is going to direct you to Chrome or whatsoever browser device you are using on your mobile phone. Is going to link you to that, to the Google Drive space where you can download that freely. To download this, all you have to do is to click on the link below it, and you are going to be directed to where you are to download the Lips file freely into your device, and you can make use of it in your own leisure time. Please, if you have watched this video to this extent, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, turn on your notification, and share to as many as possible to educate others on how to download softwares, plugin files from the YouTube space freely. Alright, so you can see here, do not mind what is above, there are no preview available here, but you can see the download icon. So you just click and tap on the download, and it is going to download for you into your device directly, and you can make use of it anytime, any day. So you can see above file downloaded, and that is how to download files, softwares, or whatsoever on the YouTube space. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in subsequent times.